Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the CUBOT Tablet Top 10 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, let's tap on it, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are right now in my left lower corner, but if you will use it another way, then it will be in the right upper corner. So let me enter it. And here basically all we have to do is to simply scroll down to the photo settings, and on the third position we will have the countdown duration, which is the timer. And as you can see, we've got three different options. So basically right now it is turned off, but we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds in order to show you how it works. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, so we can go back to the camera. And basically all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, right now it is counting down from 10. It can count down from 3 depending on which option you will choose. And as you can see, the device just took a photo, so this is how the timer works. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just get back to the settings, countdown duration, and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take the photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your CUBOT Tablet Top 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.